Okay, to add to the school library, you are going to go wherever to find your lesson you want to add, or maybe you created a lesson and it's already in your lessons, but let's say we're going to add this one. I'm going to click add to my lessons. You can either click show in my lessons or go to my lessons. And when you are here, you're going to, at the top, the three dots, you're going to click add to. You want to add to a school library. Notice when you click on school library, now all of the subfolders open up. So we're going to say that's 7th grade math. You're going to click add here. Then you can view it in that library, or you can stay where you're at. You can do this with any of the lessons that you create or any of the lessons found in the Nearpod libraries. And it is an easy way to share amongst your teammates. Hope this is helpful.